This one I'm cheating a little bit. I think I used it to demonstrate a Christmas in July project, but never got around to mounting it. And I got to looking at it, and I thought it would be perfect for this one. I'm going to save that Merry Christmas for the back, and maybe some of the border. I think I am going to fussy cut this. I might be ruining it, we'll see. I just try to have a thin border for two reasons. One, I don't want to cut into the design, and two, I just kind of like having that contrast. There. Yeah, I think that'll work. It's a good size. Yeah, I like that. It's got a little glitter behind it. It's got a little glitter on the tree. The red's mesh. I do want a little bit of gold on there just to tie. Can't really see it, can you? And I have the same problem with that knot in the back with this. So I think I am going to untie the ribbon and glue it flat. Now I can see it. I very rarely use satin ribbon for two reasons. It frays quite a bit, and it's thin, so like if I had that on the outside, it would show that it had been glued down. Neither of which do I want to happen. Okay. I don't think I want this rickrack all the way around. I think I'm just going to put it on the sides. See how it looks once I get it down there, but that's the plan. To the top of that to compensate for that brad. And I'm going to have to put some more glue. Sign a date. I do elder care, and my lady was showing me a picture that she had bought that she just loved. And the first thing she said is, I wish I knew who did this. She had, but the artist, it was a beautiful piece. Mixed media watercolor of like a Queen Anne's lace or something along that line. but they didn't sign it. I'm a craft person. I'm a maker. I'm not an artist. You know, some people call themselves fiber artists or paper artists, but that's a little. Yes, I'm talented. I'm creative. When I think of artist, I think of a painter or a sculptor or those types of making projects. I think I will make use of this little swaggy area down here. Real anal about this. I would have inked the edges of this so that that raw cardboard did not show, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. I don't think anybody will pay attention to it. And if it bothers them, they won't buy the ornament. My name is Sarah. I go by the Thrifty Crafty Stitcher, and I hope you are enjoying the series so far. We've had quite a few technical difficulties, but we're getting it done. So please do come back and see what we've got coming up. Have a good day.